Confused about what size to choose on Shein? In this video, I'll show you how to add your measurements in the Shein app and pick the right clothing size with confidence. So, let's get started. First, open the Shein app on your phone and make sure you're signed in to your account. Next, tap on the Me tab in the bottom right corner of the screen. Once you're there, tap on your username at the top of the page. Inside the profile settings, look for the size information section and tap on Add Myself. Here, you can enter your body measurements to help Shein recommend the best clothing size for you. Now, enter your details such as gender, age range, body shape, height, weight, bust, waist, hips, and any other requested measurements. After entering your information, tap the Save button. Your size profile will now be saved in the app. Next, open any clothing item you want to buy. On the product page, tap on Recommended next to the size guide option. Shein may now suggest the most suitable size based on the measurements you added. You can also compare your measurements with the product size chart before placing your order. This is helpful because sizing can vary between different clothing styles and brands. And that's how you can add clothing size information and measurements in the Shein app to help pick the right size. Thanks for watching.